I was just doing my job and pulled a bin out and it was full of old Atari games. When I was younger, me and my dad used to watch these like top 10 most expensive video games and stuff like that, and this would pop up all the time on those. I sent a photo to my dad just to see if he knew what it was, and he sent me back a really exciting text. He was like, "You found Air Raid." I thought that was pretty funny, so I took it to my boss just to so we could do a little more research on it.
On our e-commerce platform, our customers can find antiques, they can find some collectibles, and some really rare pieces. So there's a variety of ways our customers can shop that platform and find those unique finds.
I kind of just make the decision myself if it should be an auction or if we do it buy it now. And I also make the decision of whether or not it's going to be like a singular game or just a whole lot of games. Of course, this one, I decided that we should probably just do it singularly.
This is the highest selling single piece item that we've had, so we're having a lot of fun with it.
I was checking it maybe once a day. I know Julie was checking it. Seemed like every hour she was telling me updates about it. It's kind of surreal. It's more of a piece of history rather than just an expensive game to me. It's weird, you know, knowing that like this will be the only time you get to hold something like this. If it were me buying it, I would probably put it in a case and not do anything with it and just look at it. But I think it'd be cool just to see it be played or something like that. Some
of the processes that our e-commerce employees have to go through to find the treasures can be challenging sometimes, but when they do find those treasures, it's so exciting and so much fun, and we really try to be good stewards of all our donations to maximize the value so that we can in turn continue to support our programs and services.